Hello friends, welcome to Academy Tuber. These are important questions on life sciences. This is part 6 video. Before going into the video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start the video. The amount of DNA present in the genome of a species is called answer is C value. C value is the amount of DNA contained within a haploid nucleus or one half the amount of a diploid somatic cell of a eukaryotic organism. It is measured in picograms. 1 picogram is equal to 10 power minus 12 grams. Arrange the following steps of PCR polymerase chain reaction in correct order. First is denaturing, second is annealing, third is extension. Option 2 is right answer. Polymerase chain reaction has practical applications in forensics, genetic testing and diagnostics. Standard method of testing COVID-19 is RT-PCR. What is the difference between PCR and RT-PCR? I will tell you at the end. A major circulatory sugar in insects used for energy. Answer is all the above. Tree hallose is also known as tree malose and mycose. Tree hallose is also known as insect blood sugar. It acts as a cryoprotectant, reducing the supercooling point of some freeze-avoiding insects. Resistance to acid hydrolysis, absence of direct intramolecular hydrogen bonding makes tree hallose chemically unique when compared with other common disaccharides. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy is also known as. Answer is mad cow disease. Blackleg is due to clostridial infections. Shipping fever is also known as bovine respiratory disease complex. Mad cow disease is bovine spongiform encephalopathy and red nose is infectious bovine rhinotracheitis. Prions are answer is proteins. Commercially used dipeptide which is used as an artificial sweetener. Answer is aspartame. Maple syrup, coconut sugar, blackstrap molasses are natural sweeteners. What was the first synthesized artificial sweetener? Answer is saccharin. Saccharin was the first artificial sweetener and was originally synthesized in 1879 by Ramsden and Falber. Its sweet taste was discovered by accident. A tiny pine cone shaped structure located in the center of the brain is. Answer is pineal gland. Pick up the true statement. Statement A. Heterochromatin is a highly compact and inactive form of chromatin. Statement B. Euchromatin is a dispersed and active form of chromatin. Answer is both the statements are true. An indolamine hormone derived from the amino acid tryptophan is? Answer is melatonin. Epinephrine, norepinephrine, dopamine are catecholamines and are derived from amino acid tyrosine. Fungus derived carcinogen aflatoxins B1 and B2 after ingestion by lactating animals are modified in the animal body to yield. Answer is aflatoxins M1 and M2. What are aflatoxins? Aflatoxins are poisonous substances produced by certain kinds of fungi that are found naturally all over the world. They can contaminate food crops and pose a serious health threat to humans and livestock too. Match the following plant nutrients and their biochemical functions. Molybdenum, it is a constituent of nitrogenase. Calcium ion, it is a constituent of middle lamella. And nickel, it is a constituent of urease. Option 3 is correct answer. This is a very important bit. Which of the following is a true statement? Skin associated lymphoid tissue is highly organized. Mucus associated lymphoid tissue is highly organized. Bronchial associated lymphoid tissue is loosely organized. Answer is both. All three statements are correct. If the released ovum is not fertilized and does not implant, the corpus luteum will get degenerated within how many days after its formation? Answer is 14 days. Corpus luteum is a mass of cells that forms in an ovary and is responsible for the production of hormone progesterone during early pregnancy. This is very important. Which of the following is also known as voice box? Answer is larynx. What is the difference between larynx and pharynx? Larynx is commonly called the voice box or glottis. The main difference between pharynx and larynx, which extends from the nasal cavity to esophagus, whereas larynx is the upper portion of the trachea. In mature living plant cells, vacuole is surrounded by a membrane known as. Answer is tonoplast. Synthesis of viola xanthin is catalyzed by. Answer is viola xanthin deepoxidase and zeaxanthin epoxidase. Both 2 and 3 are correct options. Device that measures the volume of air breathed in and out. Answer is spirometer. Hygrometer is used to measure humidity of air. Anemometer is used to measure speed of wind, and sphygmomanometer is used to measure blood pressure. During seed development, large amount of triacyl glycerol in the form of oil is stored in which of the following organelle? Answer is all the above. Lipid bodies or oleosomes or spirosomes. Which of the following are autoimmune disorders? Answer is A and B are correct. Myasthenia gravis is not a autoimmune disorder, but it is caused by defective genes, whereas systemic lupus, erythematosus, and rheumatoid arthritis are autoimmune diseases. Obesity is diagnosed when the patient's BMI, body mass index, is greater than. Answer is 30 kg per meter square. What is BMI and BMR? So, what is the difference between PCR and RT-PCR? In PCR, double-stranded DNA is used as a template. In RT-PCR, single-stranded RNA is used as a template. What is BMI and BMR? Body mass index is related to your height and weight, whereas basal metabolic rate represents the amount of calories your body requires to perform essential functions. Do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching.